I'll tell you why. But one of the strategies I found in IEEE was, in Madras section we have 7,000 members, of which nearly 5,500 are student members. And the interaction that we have with students is what makes it so interesting. It's what makes it so vibrant. Now, having said this, let me say that companies like TCS have also cashed in on the energy of the students. TCS today has 150,000 associates. Nowadays, every year we are taking 30,000 people from the campuses and other places. So that is the energy. That is what has made TCS a $7 billion company now. It's the input of fresh talent, innovation, creativity, energy, interest, curiosity, all the attributes that go to develop new things comes from the students. Having realized this, TCS spends enormous amount of its own energy to engage with institutions. We have an academic interface program through which we interface and engage with institutions throughout the globe. We have, you name the institute, we are there. And Periyar Maniammai University is no exception. We would like to have greater and greater engagement with you, understand how we could work with you, understand what kind of interests you have, what can you bring, and so on and so forth. So I have also benefited by this interaction throughout, because it's given me all the nice things in my career to adapt myself and change. So let me explain this, what I mean by this. IEEE publishes a magazine called Spectrum. How many of you have seen this magazine, Spectrum? Nobody. The January issue of Spectrum makes an assessment of what are the technologies which are in and what are the technologies which are out. If you read the January issue of Spectrum, you will come to know across the length and breadth of all technologies, what are the new products, what is happening, etc. I have been seeing it for 20 years. That is where I realized when I was working in the US for a retailer that they were developing RFID tags and RFID solutions to automate the process of reading the data that is coming in barcode. So that naturally when I came back to India, there was nobody in TCS who knew that RFID is a technology which has potential, so I was the first guy to enter there.